If you're not satisfied with your life, then watch this video until the very end. I promise this story is going to change the way you see things. Once upon a time, a crow was sitting on a tree, completely unhappy with his life. He began to cry. A wise monk was meditating under that same tree, and a teardrop from the crow fell onto his cheek. The monk looked up and saw the crying crow. "Why are you crying, little friend?" he asked gently. The crow replied, "O wise one, I'm miserable. No one loves me. People shoo me away and never share their food. Everyone hates me. A life like this is worse than death." The monk's heart filled with compassion. He said, "We should learn to be happy with what we have." But the crow didn't understand and just kept crying. So the monk tried a different approach. "Don't be upset," he said. "Tell me, what do you want to become? I have the power to change you." The crow's eyes lit up. "Oh, blessed one, if you truly want to help me, please make me a beautiful swan." "All right," the monk agreed. "I will make you a swan. But first, I have a small task for you. Go and find a swan and ask if it is truly happy with its life. Find out for yourself, and I will wait for you right here." The crow happily flew off to find a swan. He soon found one, gliding gracefully in a pond. He landed nearby and said, "You are so magnificent. As white as milk. Everyone must adore you. You must be the happiest bird in the entire world." The swan sighed. "No, my friend, I'm not happy. The world is filled with so many beautiful colors, but I have none. White is just nothing. I think the parrot must be the happiest bird. It's so vibrant and colorful." Hearing this, the crow flew off to find a parrot. When he found one, he exclaimed, "Oh, parrot! You are so colorful and beautiful. Surely you must be the happiest bird in the world." The parrot shook its head sadly. "No, my friend, I'm not happy. Because of my colors, people trap me in cages. I live in constant fear of being captured and losing my freedom. I believe the peacock is the happiest. He is far more colorful and majestic than I am." So the crow went in search of a peacock. He finally found one in a zoo, inside a large enclosure. Hundreds of people were gathered, admiring its beauty. After the crowd left, the crow approached the peacock. "Dear peacock," he said, "you are so incredibly beautiful. Thousands of people come just to see you. Look at me, ... When people see me, they shoo me away. I think you are the happiest bird on the planet." The peacock looked at the crow with weary eyes. "I used to think I was the most beautiful and happiest bird, but because of this beauty, I am trapped in this zoo. And when people pluck my colorful feathers for decoration, it hurts terribly. No, my friend, I am not happy at all." The crow was stunned. "If you're not happy," he asked, "then who is the happiest bird in the world?" The peacock replied, "I've spent a lot of time observing this zoo, and I've realized that you, the crow, are the only bird not kept in a cage. No one tries to catch you or trap you. For the past few days, I've been thinking, if I were a crow, I could fly freely everywhere. I could be truly free." Hearing these words, the crow flew back to the monk, his heart light for the first time. He realized the value of his own life. He bowed to the monk and said, "Oh, wise one, thank you. I don't want to be anything else. I am perfectly fine just as I am." In our own lives, we often fall into the trap of comparing ourselves to others. We see what they have, and we feel sad about what we don't. This creates a vicious cycle of unhappiness. But the truth is, there will always be someone who has more, and someone who has less. If you constantly compare, you will never find peace. The secret to happiness is satisfaction. A person who is satisfied with what they have is the richest and happiest person in the world. So, don't compare yourself to anyone. The moment you stop comparing, you start living. Thank you for watching. If this story touched you, please share it and subscribe for more content that can change your perspective.